Hello and welcome back to the homestead. My name is Annie. Today I wanted to share a very easy recipe, and it's no-knead ciabatta bread. I've been talking about this. I use this to make sandwiches, just to eat like that with a soup. I just love ciabatta bread, but it's becoming more and more expensive, so it was like on my to-do list to find an easy, no complication recipe to do ciabatta bread, and we're going to do that today together. I'm also trying out the new device, which is a microphone that's right here. This was a gift from my husband. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So that you guys can actually hear me better. So let me know if this is actually better than the last video I made. I mentioned that I upgraded my microphone. So let me know in the comments below. Let's make this bread. To make this recipe, I use a tub. I got this at Dollarama. Some lukewarm water, yeast, olive oil, salt, and I do mine with bread flour. I find that it is better consistency, but I did change up my flour, so it's the first time I tried to do that, and everything's going to be in grams. 425 grams of bread flour. 325 grams of lukewarm water. Three grams of yeast. $50 grams of olive oil. And 10 grams of salt. Everything is in here. You can use a spatula or a dough hook. So the dough is going to be sticky. So the idea here is you want to bring everything together, and there's going to be a couple of stretch and folds, which are rest and then rest periods. I love doing in one in one tub because there's less dishes. Okay. Now this is going to rest for 30 minutes, and then we're going to do our first stretch and fold. The dough has rested for 30 minutes, and I'm just going to water my hands a little bit, and I'm just going to use my fingers and do a stretch and fold like this. So you grab it, stretch it, fold it in the middle. And we're going to do this. It's going to rest another 30 minutes. We're going to do another stretch and fold. And then we're ready to do shaping of the dough. getting used to my microphone is going to be something. I forgot to activate it. So I just finished the second stretch and fold. Now there's going to be a 30-minute rest period. And then this is where we're going to shape the dough, one last rest period, and then we're going to bake it. I can almost taste it. Last portion of the dough. So we're shaping the dough. In the oven right now, I have a bowl of water. And I've preheated my oven to 425. And this is where the shaping is a little bit weird because the dough looks kind of wet, but trust in the process. You're going to need a very heavy floured surface and a bench scraper. I put flour in my hands. Shape the dough how I want it. Rectangle as much as possible. I'm not a professional, so they don't look cute. So I try when I grab them and put them on a sheet to somewhat put them rectangle so that they can all look the same. Once this is done, your last rise period will be 15 minutes. I cut it into 8, but you can do it in 2 baguettes if you want, 3 baguettes. It's your choice. So I put 20 minutes at 425. I take the temperature, the internal temperature of the bread with thermometer. If it's around 200 Fahrenheit, your dough's cooked. If I don't reach that, I just put it back inside. So now, last rising period, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Timer went off. It's been 15 minutes. This is what they look like. They're going in the oven. This is what they look like after 19 minutes in the oven. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be trying this recipe. Until the next one, take care. Bye.